welcome. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to do a full face of makeup with Faces Canada products. So Faces Canada is one of the really good brand which is available in India where you get good quality and at affordable prices. So today let's do a full face of makeup with these Faces Canada products which I have. So let's get started. So we'll start with the primer. So this is the primer which I'm going to be using. This is the Faces Canada 3-in-1 Smooth and Moisturize Perfect Matte Primer. So this is a gel based primer and it gives you a nice matte finish. So it is not really sticky and it gives a nice beautiful matte finish. Next for foundation, I'm going to be using this 3-in-1 foundation. So this is the All Day Hydra Matte Foundation. So this comes with SPF 30 as well. So this is a great travel friendly foundation and it is great for daily use. And this shade is Warm Sand. Today I'm going to be using the Faces Canada brushes. So these are the brushes which I got free when I purchased from the Faces Canada website. So when you purchase any products from the Faces Canada website, you get a lot of freebies. So you can definitely go ahead and check their website for it. So this brush set, it's a 5-in-1 brush set which I got, which I really loved it. And the bristles are really soft and it blends in really well. So this foundation is like very lightweight and it blends in so beautifully. It gives a nice, it gives a kind of a medium coverage. You can build it up by applying more. And this shade is also really good for a medium deep skin tone. That's the finish you get. It's a nice, a natural matte finish which you get. Next, I'll be using this concealer from Faces Canada. So this is the High Cover Concealer and this is of shade Toffee Love. So I'm using this makeup sponge. So this is a wet makeup sponge and this is also from Faces Canada, which I got it as a free product while I purchased from their website. This concealer is blending in really well. The makeup sponge is like okay, it's not really that soft, I would say. So it gives a good coverage and it is covering the imperfections really well. So now to set this base, I'm going to use this Banana Compact from Faces Canada. This Banana Compact is really well. I've used a lot as you can see here. It gives you a nice matte finish and it keeps your face really non-oily. So again, I'm using the Faces Canada brushes. So these brushes are also okay. So that is a nice, matte finish which you get with this Banana Compact. Next, we'll move on to the eye makeup. And for eye makeup, I'm going to be using this 6-in-1 eyeshadow palette. So this one is of shade Hopeless Romantic. And these are the shades which you get. So first I'll use this shade to create a crease. So these shades are really pigmented and it's really blending in well. Next I'll use this darker shade in the outer corner of my eyes. Next, I'll use this light pink shade in the inner corner of my eyes and this is the shimmery shade. I'll be using my fingers. And again, I'll just blend in the shades well. So there is no harsh lines. Next for Kajal, I'm going to be using this Kajal. So this is the Intense Gel Kajal, which is the Ultime Pro Kajal. So it's got a smudger as well. If you want to use it as an eyeliner and smudge it across, you can still use it. But today I'm going to be using this as a Kajal. I'll take this pink shade again and I will apply it in the, it's below my eyebrow and the inner corner of my eyes and in the lower lash line. Next for mascara, I'm going to be using this Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD mascara. So this is a Whopper Lashes mascara is what it's mentioned. So the mascara is really good. It's giving you nice volume. Next, I'm going to be using this face palette from Faces Canada. So it's got a contour, blush and a highlighter. And these are the shades which you get. So I'll do some contouring first with this palette. So I'm using this angular brush from the free brush set which I got. So you get a kind of a light contouring in this. Next, I'll use this blush from this palette. So it is not too much pigmented, it is like a very light finish which you get. I'll use the highlighter as well. So this palette is like okay, it's not that great I would say. The shades are not that very pigmented. But it's like okay, if you want some light contouring, light blushing and light highlighting, you can use this palette. Next we'll move on to the lipstick. So first I'm going to line my lips and for that I'm going to be using this lip definer from Faces Canada. And this one is again the Ultime Pro Lip Definer and it's of shade pink. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using this Ultime Pro HD lipstick and this one is the Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer and this is of shade Tea Rose. So this is like a lovely shade. I've used it a lot and it's like great for daily use and it's really long lasting and pigmented. So as you can see, it's a lovely pink shade. It keeps your lips really hydrated and it gives a nice matte finish. It doesn't feel like it's drying off. So this is one of my favorite lipsticks so far. Any lipstick from Faces Canada is really good. You should definitely try. Now to set all this makeup, I'm going to be using this makeup fixer from Faces Canada. So this is again the Ultime Pro makeup fixer. This is really good. I've used it a lot. It really helps to keep your makeup for a longer time. So let's use this today. So this is the completed makeup look with the Faces Canada makeup products. I love most of the products in this. The foundation is like really great. It gives you a nice medium to full coverage. It's good for daily use and it gives a nice matte finish. The banana compact powder is like amazing. I have used it a lot earlier as well. So you should definitely try that one. Their eyeshadow palette is also really good. As you can see, it's like nicely pigmented and their lipsticks are like amazing. I have a lot of shades which are there from Faces Canada. I've just used one. You can look into my shorts for the rest of the Faces Canada lipsticks. So whatever products I have used, I will provide the details in the description box. You can have a look at it. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.